ANKA values walking side by side, non-Aboriginal and Aboriginal people. No one in front, no one behind. That way we're both learning from each other and respecting and caring for each other. This is the way of learning.
That Artsen is for all the women. And it's a good place to be, and little happy little environment, and it's like supporting each other and helping each other.
All of our archive collections have been processed in there. It's very important because it keeps continuing our culture, and through the Art Centre it makes it live and living today.
I got the knowledge from my elders or from my uncle and father, and then I'm showing that to my people in the Art Centre. Young people come in there, and we got a program to teach young people regarding our. I got my good governance from my elders. Our elders taught me what is regarding our culture, our land, and who we are.
It's a good foundation for those young ones who are coming behind us. And those people now, they're starting to put their hands up to join with us.